Wow, all the way from $10 million trading volume in 24 hours in the past 2 days. Luna have actually hit about $102,494,673 trading volume in just 24 hours. Over $100 million. Well, at the time I saw Teruna Classic trading volume trading at 10 million, I was just like, wow, this is a coin that I've once traded with a trading volume of over 500 million. Now, today, this coin is just trading with 10 million. Luna have really dropped. That also, if you saw one video that I recorded that I'll be pulling out of Teruna Classic once Luna drops, the market cap drops to 300 million. You saw that video that I did about a few days ago. Now I'm happy since I did that video. I'm also happy to see Teruna Classic is improving. I'm happy to see that yes, Luna is increasing every day by day. Now over $102 million trading volume in just a single day. Wow, calculate 1% or 1.2% of this. Calculate 1.2% of this. It means about $1 million worth of Teruna Classic, or $1.2 million worth of Teruna Classic will be destroyed just today alone. Because whether you are buying, whether you are selling, 1.2% tax bond will be charged. And though I remember that Binance for now are just burning half of it. So anyhow, over $500,000 or $600,000 to $1.2 million worth of Teruna Classic will be destroyed today alone. Now, with Teruna Classic hitting over $100 million have also resulted to 1,097,694,232 Teruna Classic LUSD coin is being traded today. Over 1 trillion coins. Wow, out of the 6.8 trillion supply. Today alone, we can see Luna trading with over 1 trillion coins of LUNC. If Luna can maintain this rate for just 1 month, believe me, Luna is going to be massively increasing in terms of market cap and price. The market cap might hit over $1 billion or $1.3 billion in 1 month if Teruna Classic can maintain this trading volume rate. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.